Hello, I'm Dr. Garret Castleberry, Professor of Communication, Media, and Ethics, and the host of Special Topics in Media. Special Topics was designed as a teaching tool, a lecture podcast companion to many of our classes in the program that I teach with, but it has since grown and continues to build new audiences, and we're excited to invite you along to join us. We have just kicked off our 7th season, and this season's theme is going to be communicating fears in film. Each episode, I'm joined by a co-host, and so we are going to break down various cultural artifacts in mass media history, but we hope to put a little educational spin on these subject areas while also informing and perhaps entertaining our audiences. You don't have to be a student or have an educational background or interest to appreciate what we tackle. In fact, that's the point. So we invite you to tune in, click and subscribe, download this podcast wherever you get yours, and we look forward to engaging with future audiences as we continue to grow and diversify the topics and themes we cover in this lecture cast.